Tangled up in memories, in a love that's now gone. Strumming softly on my uke, singing my sad song. Heartbreaks my old friend, always tagging along. I pour out my pain as I strum and sing along. Lost in a sea of tears, each one a bittersweet melody. My broken heart's the rhythm. It beats so painfully, I pluck the strings with longing. My voice whispers the plea to heal this shattered love, set my heart free. In the shadows of heartbreak, these faded melodies play on my ukulele. I sing my sorrows night and day. With each sweet strum, my pain finds its own way.